You walk into a room and your tone is literally communicating with everyone, even before you speak, because it's all energy. And so as we kind of like went down the rabbit hole, because this whole is about communication, but before we talk about what you're saying and what you're not saying, we really got to talk about how do we get aligned in ourselves and bring that to the table in our life, in our practice, in any aspect really, because it's all energy, and that energy happens above, down, inside out through us. So when we want to have change occur, it has to start there first.